Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to add or browse channel on Slack desktop app. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is you can see there's an option for adding channels. So let's click on this. Here you can browse channels or create a new channel. So let's go for the browse channel first. Here you can browse any channels that you like. Since I don't have any new channel, I'll just be showing you guys, and apparently you can do the same things in your Slack app. So I'll just be choosing my this channel. So this will take you to the channel where you can join, but since I'm already joined, I don't have to do so. But if you are new to the channel, you can join it and you can start your work. And the next option is you can create a new channel as well. Just write so I've created a new channel, so just click on next, and you can choose whether you want to keep it public or private. So once you create it, your channel will be added on your DMs, and this way you can create your new channel and start your work. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.